Sam, do you believe that girls can turn a nice guy into a douche?
Yeah.
Can you turn me into a douche?
I've gotten you mad a few times.
You guys heard it from her voice, not mine. Like a male that's loyal and stuff. That's him and Chewy.
I don't really think you can turn them into a douche. More like if you push them over their limit, then they're gonna get mad at you, and they're gonna just get pissed off at you. But I don't think they'll be like that towards other guys. Like I've gotten you mad a few times, but it's not like you're gonna stay like that forever. It's just I just pushed you over your limit or whatever, you know, like that.
Like if a girl strings a guy along and the guy never does anything wrong, and then she drops a semi-perfect male. I don't know what that means. I feel like that can make a male anything else or just objects or some shit. Yeah, I used to think I mean, I still kind of do think that girls are generally really selfish. Generally speaking, females are selfish, right? Generally speaking, I'm not like narrowing out a female. Obviously, a female could be really thoughtful, but most of them are very selfish. Like that's how I think now, because I have been stringed along by like a few girls.
Oh, I know that.
And it sucks. It sucks being baited to be like, hey, you have a chance. Hey, wait for me, while she's out there fucking another guy.
Yeah.
Like it's stupid that girls do that. It's honestly stupid. That's why I feel like most girls are like generally are selfish, because they're like, hey, instead of being happy with she's doing two things wrong there. Instead of being happy with the guy she's with now and telling the other guy to fuck off, right? You're stringing along another guy and not wholeheartedly committing to your current guy. So that's why I think females are selfish. And that hasn't, like, I've seen that happen multiple times. Like, that could be because they have, like, daddy issues. So they're like, oh shit, I need somebody to, like, always be in line waiting for me so I feel special. It could be because, I don't know, they're insecure. They want to feel love always. Having one guy isn't enough. Okay, you understand what I'm talking about. You read my mind. I'm not stupid. You think I'm stupid, Blaze. I'm about to beat your ass. You think I'm stupid. I'm not a stupid guy. I am a straight A nerd who grew up in the hood. So I have street smarts and book smarts. Right? I am a double-edged sword. I am a madman. I am Chewy the Goon. I didn't say you were dumb, but maybe could have assumed Sam was your first girlfriend. I would say she is my first girlfriend. My first real girlfriend. I don't count girlfriends unless you slept with them. So Sam is my first girlfriend. You know, if you take this last frame, you could maybe make a video out of it. Yeah, but then I get demonetized, and then I get one of the copyright strikes on YouTube. I mean, I get one of those stupid like hey, PG-13 only. I don't know. I'll see. I'll watch it over when I look at my video later. When I'm reviewing my stream to see what I can improve on and editing videos. I'll look it over. If I feel like it's good, I'll upload it to YouTube. Let me add a timestamp.